People, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today now 29th of December. So I got Aluminium. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We want to talk to you. So my name is Sabunya. What about your name?
We want to talk to you. Yeah, my name is Engineer Gibat Aluminium.
Okay. One day here, I come monitor aluminium roofing sheets. We want for a viewer from the talk show. Give you a monitor for today. So you will take me around the room where I look whether you don't finish or you see there on it. So before you take me around the work. So Oga Aluminium, our viewers, when they patronize you through this our shining, which you go like tell them for this season.
Well, first of all, I want to thank the management of the talk show and especially you when they go catch up.
Okay.
My works for site and also thanks all my customers.
Okay.
My previous one who don't give me job.
Okay.
And some of them they when I give quotation.
Okay.
Some of them they will still promise to give me job.
Okay.
And also thank the lady we get this very building.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I want to thank everybody.
Okay. Our viewer, before you give any of our clients, well, you got to call our number the on top of this video. So Oga Aluminium, like how many meters of aluminium enter this roofing?
Well, if you check the building, you see a very big building this year.
Okay.
So although the front now 3-bedroom flat, by the back now self-con into two.
Okay.
So the total meters we enter here now 574.5 meters. 574.5 meters.
Okay, like 1 per square meter.
Yes.
Now how much meters? Okay.
Come to the square meter now. The roofing sheet.
Okay.
Now 4.5. Okay. The lady they might for night she use.
Okay.
But this parapet side, if you check this parapet now, you see it did different from the one when I first do before.
Okay.
Because why? This very building now, not be me do the wooden work, but now me do the installation of the aluminium.
Okay.
So the carpenter we do the wooden work.
Okay.
Waiting he do error too many. And they call the amendment. Come to like the gutter side.
Okay.
Error for that gutter. Error. We use almost half of the day. They redefine works for you.
Okay.
Because of the bad job where the former carpenter do.
Okay.
Breezing for the roofing, the roofing they shake, they not breeze away.
Okay.
You understand?
Oh.
Even this this parapet now.
Okay.
If we do one, we put out for 600 guide.
Okay.
But what they do for you now, it call white pass. Like that. So parapet when I be bent on, if you work on.
Okay.
You understand? Okay. So what I could do, I could turn out to become silly. If you check it now, we call this one silly. Okay. But in a way where you understand that now gladding sheet.
Okay, gladding sheet.
Gladding sheet, but cost lash and congo, what they call it silly.
Okay.
You see, and I say you still see the beauty. The beauty still your happy.
Okay.
Yes. So that's why I cut it turn out to. So waiting we use for there now 0.50.
Okay.
So that one tick past the up.
Okay.
Because normally parapet supposed to strong past the roofing sheet.
Okay.
So if I say the lady now, they offer demand for that parapet 0.50. So now we still use for this very silly.
Okay,
this very silly.
Okay. So like I talk about how much per square meter.
Per square meter now for that roofing sheet. The upper one 3,700. Then why the down one, the parapet side copy 4,200.
Okay. So I know so you know the figure of the amount where you enter yours.
The total figure we enter. The total amount we enter was 2,180,000.
2,280,000.
Yes.
With your labor?
No. Everything, the total everything was, but my labor everything was 2,450,000.
Okay. How much for the accessory we enter to?
50,000 naira. The accessory.
Okay. So your own labor, maybe you're still talking.
My labor, be say, was 180,000 because I do amendments
for the house.
for the house.
Okay.
So not just only installation of aluminium, I do amendment just like for the gutters. You hear just now say what they do was very wrong.
Okay.
Made it in on the get leakage. So I called the owner, I just explained this to the owner where I take my music, see what I observe.
Okay.
So she called me, say, okay, make I help and do the
amendment.
So the amendment, when I do everything, I make the money copy like that.
Okay.
If not this gutters, check that edge gutter, check the gutter,
yes.
check that place gutter.
Yes. Okay.
So I get the white tape breeze they rant.
Okay. This aluminum fish when they up to now, this one be the strongest.
And like this one they up now 0.45.
Okay, 0.
Not be the strongest. It for average.
Okay.
The strongest now 0.55.
Okay.
So why are people not they want to go for that one because of money?
Okay.
But if now something like Medcopu, no matter the money aspect, I go advise you say go for that one.
That's 0.55.
Like the measurement I take yesterday, yes. So the person was even try to tell me, okay, when I give a price, okay, what of 50? Now so guys, it's not advisable.
Okay.
Now I say if you say make I use 50 for you, you go call it to talk show, I go call them, go let them know say nice say make I use
50
in case. Come here, not the talk my own hide.
Okay.
Anything that involve Medcopu, step ties, Oga, Madam, go for 0.55.
Okay.
0.15 not worker.
Okay.
If you use a machine for where because those things are flash it, they come. If machine they burn and where for the click.
Okay.
It they cut.
Okay.
It they cut. And two, Medcopu step ties it get key. If they do installation, get key.
Okay.
So it not the fix key way. If you not strength, not the key way.
Okay.
If you not key way from there, water go the through before you know the apple go turn to double lapping.
Okay.
So the year called double lap that roofing.
Okay. In case of other viewers come across this walk through our channel, you see John for this price we do this
yes,
work for
yes,
them.
Yes.
Okay, call your number when our viewer
okay. My WhatsApp number, my direct contact, might be 081 63 80 29 70. I call again 081 63 70. Sorry, 63 80 20. Sorry, 63 80 29 70. Let me call that number again 081 63 80 29 70. That one is my direct call. And also my WhatsApp. Then my second number might be 070 37 12 12 49. 070 37 12 12 49. But my WhatsApp number might be the first one, which is 081 63 80 29 70. That is my WhatsApp number. Also my direct contact.
My people, may I show now the work when you do here?
My people, now thank you.
Okay. And show our viewers.